Okay, you are ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. T4. Okay, let's start the others will be joining. Last class, you got the idea of string toke and string toke underscore r. Is that clear for all?
Yes, sir. Clear.
If it is clear, then I'll be proceeding to develop the argument array. Right? Previously, we are using the argument array whenever we pass the command lines from the command prompt, and that argument array is being created by your shell. Now it's time we have to develop our argument array given the input as your string, right? As today we will be developing the argument array. Different versions I will be do it. The simplest version I will go for version 1, then I will go for some depth version 2, then all the things will be added in the last version, and that version you will be keep with you for the future references, right? As today we will go for the development of argument array. Are you ready? Those who have joined through laptop or desktop, you have to ready to write the code, because step by step I will give you the procedure. You have to make it code, right? My board is visible to all.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Very good. Right? First I will take it version 1. Right? The function prototype I am giving. The main part I will be creating. The function prototype. What the function prototype you have to use in your C code. This function will take the input as your string, and name of the function make argv argument array version 1, right? You have to give input as your string, and this will return your pointer to the argument array. Is it fine? Pointer to the argument array. Okay, this is the function prototype to be used for you, and this function to be used in your main. Now let us construct our main part. Before constructing the main part, I am giving you the algorithm, right? Step by step algorithm you just write to your notebook so that you can follow during the development, right? What is our target? Target is that we have to create the argument array, right? This like structure you have to create. and this is the array, the last content will be null. Fine. What the string is given? What the string is given? Let the string is given to your ITR IBCS. Take out the first token, put into the array. Then this is the first string ITR. Right? Take out the second one, put into that. Right? Take out the third one, put into this one. Right? All the tokens over, put this null at the last content. After preparing this array, how to return the array? Can anybody? How to return the array? Array ta kemti return kariba? Any idea?
Base address of the first.
Yes, exactly. You know that array is a contiguous memory locations, hence no need to pass one at every element. Better you pass the base address. Return the base address. What is the base address? Base address is nothing but the location of this one, and that is nothing but the name of the array. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now
Yes.
let me accept you are joining. Okay, done. Now let's go for my slide. Right, this is the version 1. Keep into few points. Your task is that you have to use tokenization. Either one you can use it. Either one you can use it. Either it would be the string token or string token underscore r. Something typing mistake in the underscore r is there. Right? Put in the token into the array, then put the last pointer as the null and return it. Right? I am going for the development. This is the function prototype. This function prototype you have used inside the main. Now I am supplying you the main part. All you are ready to write the code?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? Now we will construct the main part. What the requirement for the main part? Carefully observe into the function signature. I require a string. Right? String to be passed. Then it return a pointer to the argument array. After creating the argument array, what you are returning, this will put into a variable. That variable is of the type double star. Is there any confusion? What is the double star? Kahar confusion hochi ki anybody? Why a double star? Because the function body you have to create this argument array. After creating the argument array, what the address you are sending, this address is going to be stored over a variable. And look in that this is an array means itself is a pointer. And you are sending the address means again it is one level of 1 star, that is 2 star. Done?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now be ready. I am also ready. I am supplying you the main part. This is the main part of your make ARGB function. You have to make it version 1. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now all of you be ready. I am also writing. You have to also write. I am opening the editor. gedit give argument array version 1 dot c. In the same fashion you name it. Start the main part. Write along with me. Development of the add your required heralds. After creating the main part, I will be taking your attendance. Within that, you have to complete the function body. stdio.h hash include string.h. Right, start your main. Int main. I require key variable, declare key variable, integer I. I want to collect the function prototype first. Mention the first function prototype char star star make argb version 1 char star s. This is the function prototype. Write your code. Somebody to ask. I will ask to share the screen. Right. First of all, you require a string. Declare the string char str equals. Get whatever the string you take it. This is a test case. Okay. What are the delimiters are here? Jyoti, in this string, what are the delimiters?
Space.
Very good. Delimiter is space. Right? Now, you have to catch the return value of the function. The return value of the function is double pointer. Then declare char double star my argv. If the line is clear for all, why I put double star? Because the function returns double pointer.
Yes, sir.
Then type must be
Yes,
matched.
sir.
That's why I make it double pointer. Then write straightforward my argv equal make argv version 1. Pass the string. What is the string? str. Okay, done. Then I am testing what the argument array, the structure of argument array must be in front of you. What the argument array you are returning, does it null? If null, then some kinds of error you have done. Otherwise, you print the content of the argument array. Then I just add a condition if my argv, the value returned, equal is it null? If so, make it f printf have I discussed f printf?
No, sir.
Then better we make
Yes, sir.
printf. Printf, put the error message whatever the failed to create the argument array. Fine. After doing the program is written, you just exit. You can return it. Return with -1. I am giving -1 because 0 and positive numbers treated as success. -1 means it is a failure case. That's why return 1. Else, if it is not, you print the argument array. Print the argument array received. How to print it? For I equal to 0, the argument array cell by cell it will go, and the last content of the argument array is null. Then I can compare my argv of I till it is not null, I plus plus, go on displaying printf I means percentage d.
Sir, return
I,
means end of program.
yes, end of the program. If it is something wrong, already return, program over. My argv of I means percentage d equals percentage s. This simply we can write slash n, right? I require I, comma, my argv of I. Else part over. Finally, you have to return with success 0. Carefully observe and construct the main part. If there any doubt, then you put the question for me. Yes, done?
1 minute, 1 minute.
Okay. Within that, let me take the attendance. Done. Shall I go for the next part? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am giving the idea for the how to write the function. Look in that, what is the return type? That thing you have to write it. Char star star make argv version 1 receive your string. Yes. Now body must go from this point. Right. Let us add the idea. Only would please write the procedure. How to write. Already the string is here in the function. Right. This is your string. Whatever you have passed. Okay. First step. step number 1, because you are tokenizing, means splitting the string into pieces, then original string will be changes. Then make a copy of the string. Okay, let exact name you have to use. Let T is the copy part. Original string is S. Copy S to T. You know how to copy. For that you have to use str. What to use? Tar manoj dekhiba. str.
Yes.
How to copy the string? str cpy string copy. Right? Now the string is saved into 2. Second thing, tokenize S. That means to calculate number of tokens. Why do I require to calculate the number of tokens? Because I don't know what is the size of the array. I don't know what would be the size of the array. Then you have to calculate the number of tokens. Right? After calculating number of tokens, let it, the number of tokens is 4. Then how many spaces I require here? कितना space दरकार है?
5.
5 exactly. This is token 1.
4 for string and all.
Exactly. 4 plus 1 is 5. Then this is for token 2. This is for token 3. This is for token 4. Right? Let one is null. Then you require the size of the array is, size of the array is number of tokens plus 1. But it clear? Second step over.
Yes, sir.
And the variable you have to use your n token. Don't make shortcut variables because you are 5th semesters. I don't assume that you are 1st semester, then you are writing shortcut variables, n tokens, because each variable name will give you meaning. Third step. After getting number of tokens, the array you have to allocate. Allocate the array of size, how much? N tokens
Plus 1.
plus 1. Done. After allocate, what the necessary step required? Suppose you are tokenizing S. Then can I take S once again? Or S को भांगी देई छ package. Can you take
No,
the
sir.
S? No. Then where you have saved?
Copy.
Copy part, T part. Then again you require, if you want to use S, then you have to make a copy T to S. Otherwise T is there, you can work over the T. Right? Work over T or copy T to S if you require S, if S is required. Done it? Next. Put the tokens, again tokenize to put the token into array. Tokenize and put into the array. Step number 6, return the array. Return the array. Right? Now all the steps are in front of you. You go on creating the function part. Let's see what the
Sir,
difficulty.
5.
Five
Sir,
tokenize. Step number 5.
Yes, sir. Why we need to do the 5-number step?
5-number step. Already you have tokenized. This is the point, you have tokenized to count the number
Yes.
of tokens.
Yes,
To
sir.
count only, but you have not put into the array. Have you put into the array?
No, sir. No, sir.
No. Why you are not able to put it? Because you don't know the size of the array. And the second step helps
Okay, sir.
to determine the size of the array. Fifth step helps to put the token into the array. Hence, two methods of tokenization to be run. Second step of tokenization indicate you to calculate the number of tokens. Step number 5 tokenization help you to put the tokens into the array box. The array bhitar push kariya padibo. Right? Hence, you require 2 times tokenization. Hence, 2 times str token or str token underscore r to be used. Last one is return the array. And I hope during writing the code, diagram to be done on the right hand side. Diagram drawn kari chalibo, put kari chalibo code lines. Then the development will be clear. Otherwise, finally, what will happen? I will be supplying the code. You will, yes sir, I got it. Whenever I will put a question into the examination in a change format, at that time you will say that exact code has not been taught. I don't want this to arise. You just try to create and analyze what are the requirement is coming in front of you. If you could not fulfill the requirement, I am here to fulfill it, because only 6 steps algorithm is there. I read once again. Make a copy of the string, because string is going to be broken. Hence you save it. Tokenize the original string to calculate the number of tokens. It is required because the size of the array you don't know. Hence you have to allocate the size of the array depending upon the number of tokens plus 1 spaces. After creating the array, again you re-tokenize so that token can be pushed onto the array. After pushing onto the array, your array will be constructed, return that array. Yes,
सर सर एक डाउट है सर. सर
बोलो doubt.
void main के अंदर आप जो लिखे हैं यहाँ पे my
Where I have used void m?
सर सॉरी इंटीजर main के अंदर सर जो for loop है.
इंटीजर मेन के अंदर. ओके, थोड़ा सा ऊपर चलता हूँ. हाँ, यस.
सर यहाँ पे जो my सर ये नॉर्मल पॉइंटर है या array में आपके है?
It's just a pointer. It's just a pointer. How it will be treated as? Shall I erase? Have you written the 5 steps?
Yes sir. Yes.
Acha, let me manage this side. I have to open my board. I have to manage over there. Right. This is just a pointer. How it's just a pointer? Look in that. This is suppose a variable. Clear? And this variable, okay. I have to allocate this variable. Got it clear? And after allocate, it will return a pointer. I hold the pointer here. This is just a variable. If you are allocating, allocation is done from the heap, right? From which place? From heap. If I do allocate, it will get it from the heap. How I will allocate? Last class I told you, for allocation, what is the method? Calloc and malloc. I do use malloc, right? How much I allocate? You look in the type of the variable. If it is the type of the variable is, then you have to allocate the size of the integer variable, right? What the type of the is, you have to consider, right? Let the type is integer or character. Whatever the case, malloc size of to whom you are allocating, integer or character. Let I am allocating for integer, then size of integer. Because the size of the integer character float is compiler specific, then how much it will take, that I don't know. Then better to make generalized size of int, right? You could allocate this one, but there exists no name, but it can return a address.
सर ये जो कैलोक मैलोक नहीं पढ़ाए थे सर.
C was there, no? थिला कि
Yes.
नहीं को?
Yes, it was.
Yes, sir.
It was.
गोटे क्लास रे बस पढ़ाई.
अच्छा, don't worry. If it has not taught, let me introduce. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Very good. Don't worry. Acha, then I have to give Kalok and Malok for few minutes. Don't worry. Any concept you have forgotten or any concept that has not been covered in your C programming, I will be covered because this is the very, very vital part. Then I have to go for dynamic memory allocation.
Yes.
Clear? Any more confusion?
No, sir. No, sir.
अच्छा.
Okay, done. Just have patience. If you will keep patience, all details I will be exploring. Right? Then I hope direct writing of this one is worthless. Let me erase. Those who are confident on Malak and Kalak, I do request that you just start writing this part. Within that, just let me complete my attendance. Then I will go for dynamic memory allocation. I will cover the 6 steps. केते जन जॉइन कले आज 40 means 38. Still then few is the same, always 10 minus. I don't know what to do for them. Respond your roles. Abhijit Raut. Abhijit, am I audible?
Yes,
Abhijit
sir.
Raut. Okay. Absent. Ankit Das.
Sir, present.
Simon. Parthasarathi.
Present, sir.
Tanya.
Present, sir.
Asutosh.
Yes, sir.
Nikhil. Rahul.
Yes, sir.
Ansuman Ray.
Present, sir.
Chandrakant Gupta.
Present, sir.
Atish Raj.
Yes, sir.
Jyotish Nayak.
Present, sir.
Pratyush.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Disha. Absent. Anup. Mark it. Anup is not coming. He is not. He is promoted. Anup. Hari Om. Sometimes he is coming. This fellow. Prithviraj. Absent. Sandeep Mishra.
Present, sir.
Anup Mukherjee. No, I am talking about Anup Mukherjee, registration number 237. He is not attending the classes. Okay. Oh, if you know, you just ask her to contact me directly. I supposed to know what is the problem they are not joining. Sandeep Mishra.
Present, sir.
Sandeep.
Present, sir.
Trivikram. Smriti Ranjan.
Yes, sir.
Rajiv.
Present, sir.
Sikrit.
Present, sir.
Sambit Kumar Sahu. This fellow also not attending the classes. Hari Om sometimes, Anup Mukherjee and Sambit 3. Krishna Murari. Krishna. Rehan Ahmad Khan. Rehan Ahmad. Are you present? My problem you can put into the chat box. Later on I can look into that. Rehan. Priyanshu Mishra. Rahul Mukherjee. Okay, present. Divya
Yes,
Darshan.
sir.
Yes, Rahul. Divya Prakash.
Present, sir.
Kakon.
Present, sir.
अच्छा. Asutosh. Asutosh Sinha. देवज्योति,
Present, sir.
शिखर स्वरूप,
Present, sir.
Ashutosh Sinha also. 4 I got it. They are not attending. Soumya Mahapatra,
Present, sir.
Shirsak,
Present, sir.
Ananya,
Present, sir.
Rahul Malkar, Sutilina,
Present,
sorry,
sir.
Suti Norma, sorry. Khushi,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Nihar, Nikita,
Present, sir.
Krishna,
Sir,
oh,
Siblu.
sorry.
Sir, Siblu left.
Siblu, okay. I forgot. Siblu present, Nikita present, Krishna,
Yes, sir.
Abhi,
Present, sir.
Anjali,
Present, sir.
Priyabrata,
Present, sir.
Nikhil, Ashutosh Patra, Alisha Patnaik, Alisha, Divya Darshan,
Present, sir.
Subhendu, Aditya, this fellow also, Subhendu and Aditya, irregular. Diksha Kumari, Amrit Kaur,
Present, sir.
Rajesh, Bidisa Tripathi, Satya Narayan Singh,
Present, sir.
Prajwal, Rupam,
Yes, sir.
Abhishek Mishra, Cape Mahamadi.
Present, sir.
What happened to Cape?
Class.
नहीं तो out of today, including today, you have attended 2 classes only for USP.
पहले सर तबीयत खराब हो गई।
Yeah?
तबीयत खराब था सर, सिक सर।
नहीं, do you have any problem?
अब ठीक है।
नहीं, ठीक नहीं, मैं बोल रहा हूँ. Any problem do you have for not attending the classes?
No problem.
Then can you please call me after the end of the class?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
And
Rehan
rest of the
present.
name, I am means who is that? और नाम
Sir,
बोलो तो
sir.
I am present means क्या बोले? हाँ? रेहान अहमद खान.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, रेहान अहमद खान. You same thing also happened. बीच में you are also absent. भाई,
Ji.
रेहान,
Yes, sir.
what happened? In between why you are getting absent?
सर अब करेंगे क्लास, थोड़ा बाहर गए हुए थे हम।
अरे बाहर गए तो बाहर के लिए तो क्लास हो रहा है ना, वर्चुअल क्लास. कहाँ थोड़ी हम लोग ऑफलाइन ले रहे हैं. तो जहां भी हो ज्वाइन कर सकते हो.
2 घंटा का रहता है ना सर, टाइम नहीं
हाँ,
मिलता।
तो क्या बात है. 2 घंटा हो कि 4 घंटा हो, क्लास तो है ना.
ठीक है, अब से कर रहे हैं।
नहीं तो काम करो, यूनिवर्सिटी ले लो, कोई क्लास नहीं होगा. हमको 4 साल का बाद डिग्री मिल जाना चाहिए. हम लोग खुश, आप लोग भी खुश हैं.
नहीं सर, कर लेंगे।
ये जो 2 घंटा है ना, दिस विल डिटरमाइन योर लाइफ. ऐसे ही
जी।
2 घंटा ऐड करोगे तो आपको हो गया अभी 20 साल.
जी।
Now you ask yourself within 20 years what you got it for next upcoming 20 years what you will be getting. That is the end of the life. After 40-45 end of the life, बूढ़ा हो जाएगा, काम खत्म. जो करना है अभी कर लो. Okay, yeah, this is up to you, but my part already over. But be serious that you attend the class. If you are missing the class will miss you. Just opposite. You will take care of others will definitely take care of you. You will cheat others, definitely you will be cheated by others. जो करोगे इसी का ही रिवर्स एक्शन आपको ही मिलेगा. नहीं पढ़ना है, पास तो कर लूंगा. Because university don't want to put the wastage in the box. University want to make the wastage to be out. That's why if you are not reading, then you will pass. It's a guarantee from my side. But if you want to read, learn something, enjoy something. Okay, anyhow, that's almost same time. Yeah.
present.
Yes, already. Whenever your mic is turned on or you are responding, I am able to look into that, right? If voice is not also audible, also still then I could able to visualize that you are present. Hence, still then I gave also option. If anybody having problem, immediately you can put over the chat box so that I will be continuing from the chat box. Okay, but any means I am not making you absent. I am trying that you to be present. 3 methods I am taking: roll call, a Google attendance automatically. Third option is the screenshot. Still then also fourth option is their quiz. All the 4 I am matching where you are. Still then if the 4 cases you are not there, definitely absent, nobody can help you. Okay, my output is that once attendance reported and college authority has given you that shortage of attendance, at that time I am at any moment not going to listen. Sir, give me 1 mark or give me 1 class, give me 0.5 class. That issue I don't care. That's why I'm 100% taking care. Let it not happen. If happened, I'll not listen. Very soon it will be updated by November 5th or 6th. Within November 5th or 6th, all the attendance, whatever the class till now taken, will be updated. Okay. After November 5th, you will be getting your attendance through ERP. Okay, done. Now, plan is that you have few doubt over this one. Let me go for this one. Dynamic memory allocation. Let me try it so that I could able to complete the function. Think it that you are very much acquainted with using integer x. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
This way of doing and x equal 5 or x equal 2. This way of doing the things is that x is allocated in the stack area. X is allocated in the stack. This particular part is stack. It will be allocated on the stack. As you are writing the program, you can say that it is a program stack. And all the allocations are static. As soon as you will write x, this will be allocated. X, less few things are there after go, right? X will be allocated. This is the beginning address. This is the end address. This will be let it be for 4 byte, right? This is the beginning address, and this will be the end address, and the gap is 4 byte, and the rest of the things are there. As per the name stack is there, you know the nature of the stack. On the top of the stack, you will go on adding, and stack gradually go towards, right? In the same way, the stack will go on, and exactly in the implementation, the stack will go from this point. This one element added, this one stack will go this one, and this particular part is the called the low address, and the point of this one is high address. Okay, right? And stack grow up from higher address to lower address, and in between what is the stack is given to, x will be allocated here, right? Any other variable, if you write y, then int y, then followed by y will be here, again z will be here, right? If you are using a function, in between you are using integer x comma integer y, and finally you are returning x plus y, then you will require the return address of the function. Then somewhere the return address will be stored, right? All other variables that are you are using, all are local variables. Right? All local variables are put into the stack, and exact name of the stack is called program stack. Or you can say that the process stack, because later on the program becomes process. Hence, whatever the program is there, or whatever the process you are going to create, for each program and process, there will be a stack allocated. And this all allocation done during compilation time, hence it is called static allocation. Right? And the nature of the static allocation is that as soon as the program over, this is going to be over. Right? କହିଲେ ତ ଯିବି ଆଗକୁ, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? In between I have to response, otherwise I could not able to get that you are getting or not getting. Right? And all other things you are doing whenever you are writing a C code. Now thing arises, now I have to go for dynamic allocation. This is all static allocation you are doing. I have to go for dynamic allocation. The meaning of the dynamic allocation is the memory blocks will be not taken from the stack. It will take from the another data structure that is called heap. Right? A pool of memory is there. A pool of memory. Right? A pool of memory is there. From the heap, you have to take it. If you have to take it from the heap, if this is the size of the heap, assume that you have to take this 4 byte. Then you have to allocate, because it does not contain certain names. Then I cannot write. You have to allocate this 4 byte from the heap. To allocate the memory from heap, to allocate memory from heap, you have to use two functions or tools. One is called malloc, second one is called alloc. Okay, right? How it works? Suppose I want this much of memory. You allocate it and use it. After use, you have to return the memory. If you are not returning and you are closing your program, this is already allocated. Nobody can delete. If this procedure will continue, sometimes the heap will be filled up. Likewise, example, let you have a emergency fund of 4,000 rupees. This is an emergency fund. You have stored anywhere in the bank, right? And already you have designed that 4,000 is my emergency, let it be always there. And because of some emergency services, you have taken out 2,000, right? What is the remaining is there?
2,000.
2,000. Already you have taken. Means one block you have taken, which is 2,000. And you have used. Bindas use kiya. Now you just over. Before over, काम खत्म हो गया, 2000 का काम खत्म हो गया. You ड्रेस कुछ इमरजेंसी सर्विस में लगा दिए. Over. You are not returning those 2,000 to here. Right? Then this place is blank or not? हो गया?
Yes.
Next में आप रिटर्न नहीं किए, मार्केट आप रिटर्न नहीं किए, that's why blank. If you are returning, the remaining 4,000 is 4,000. After another case, again 2,000 you have taken. Then total 4,000 over.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
You have not returned the first 2,000, not returned the second 2,000. Then how much left in the emergency fund?
0.
Let further there is a requirement of emergency. Can you get the amount?
No, sir.
No. That means this emergency fund is treated as like a heap memory. Whenever required, you allocate. After due uses, you return. If you are not returning, the heap memory will be filled up. Finally, that is out of heap. Number one. Number two. Have you seen any apartment?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right? Your land is permanent. Your land is permanent. Right? Allocate the apartment, first floor, second floor, third floor, fifth floor, sixth floor. Over. Right? Again, after 100 years, let the plant changes or lease period overs. Completely destroy the apartment. Again, the land is there. Again, do allocate for the another kind of apartment. Again. As that is actually the real purpose of heap. Whenever you require a memory, you take borrow the memory from heap. After uses, you pay the borrow. And that can be done with the help of calloc and malloc. Now I am going to allocate an integer variable from heap. Allocation of an integer variable. Right? How to allocate this integer variable? Do you know what is the size of integer?
4 bit.
Achha. If you don't know, then you use the operator size of int. So that 4, 6 byte, 8 byte, we don't care. Right? This much I want to allocate. Now tell the heap, allocate the size of int. Allocate the size of int. How to write? Calloc, malloc, allocate size of int. Size of one word, no space. Int. Close it. It will allocate. How much? 2 byte. After allocating 2 byte, it will give a address 1400. This address will be returned 1400. Right? If this address will return, the address can be stored in where? Which types of variable?
Pointer.
Pointer. Then आपको a pointer declare करो. What is the type of pointer you desire? Integer, character, float?
Integer.
Integer. Then declare star PTR. Point is clear? Now, the type of pointer it returns, it is integer pointer or character pointer, who knows? Because this is just a land. एक लैंड लिए, एक लैंड, दिस इज ए लैंड, आप एक लैंड में एक बाउंड्री वॉल बना दिए, आप इसको अपार्टमेंट के लिए बुक किए और कुछ फार्मिंग के लिए बुक किए, और यू हैव बुक फॉर अदर पर्पस. हु नोज? ओनली यू नो. इज द पॉइंट इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
If it is clear, then type of the pointer to be null. If type of the pointer to be null, then malloc is generally giving void, like, so that it can to typecast. Right? Then you have to typecast as per requirement, that is your integer pointer. Integer star. If the point is clear, why I write integer star?
Yes, sir.
Because type to be given. Just like
Malloc is a pointer type.
malloc is not a pointer. Malloc is a function who allocates. Malloc is not a pointer. Malloc is able to allocate. जैसे आप लोग का builder है, तो malloc is a builder who allocates this much of land. After allocating, whenever it will return, what is the purpose of return? Integer type का return or character type का return or other type का return? That return to be mentioned. Otherwise, it is a generic return. Term is clear?
Okay, sir.
Now integer pointer return, store the integer into the pointer, ptr. Done.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Very good. Now if it is done, clearly I am writing the statement. What I have done. I declare integer star ptr. Done. Ptr equals, this will hold the address. And one sincere request to you, whenever you are working with pointers, always a diagram to be drawn. Otherwise, after doing 100 practice also, you cannot clear. Always diagram. Pointer, I am doing integer star. Why integer star? Because what type you are going to use the block, that to be decide. Malloc. I want the size of integer. If you know 4, 5, 6, put it, no problem. But I want the desired size of int. This is one word, size of, done. Then what happens? This is your pointer variable. ये allocate हो गया. ये जो space मिला आपको, this is size of int. Where to get this size? From the heap. आपको heap से मिला, right? Now I want to put a value here, 20. How you can put a value? अगर ये pointer है तो how to use pointer value? Star value at pointer ptr equals how much? 20. Print a percentage d star ptr. There is a difference between this star and this star. This is for declaration, and here the star meaning is value at that. Value at. Right? That is called dereference. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now what you have done it? आप एक ब्लॉक लिए, कहां से लिए? हीप से लिए, 20 पुट किए, यूज कर दिए. इसका बाद आप इसको रिटर्न नहीं किए, मीन्स 25 रिजर्व. हीप से रिजर्व है के रिजर्व. Then you have to make it return. To make it return, free the pointer. अभी कट करो इसको. Okay, let I give you an example, then I will go for more on that malloc. Like malloc, you have to use calloc. Calloc is only 2 parameters, malloc is 1 parameter. Has to write down the 2 function signature. Now I am erasing all these things. আজি गोटे डेवलपमेंट सरी परिवनी बोलते. Let's see. Fine. Here, all you please write the function signature. Man malloc. Right? Header file stdlib.s malloc calloc. These 3 lines you write it. Rest of the description you have to read whenever you have time. Jaldi jaldi, be quick. Okay, over. Is it finished? सरला
Yes, sir.
35 ମୁଁ ପଢେଇ ଚାଲିଛି 5 ଜଣ ପିଲା ଫସି ଗଲେଣି କଣ କରିବା ତମକୁ ଅଦର ଚିଟର୍ସ जो माने लीव करि जाउछन सेटा रेकॉर्ड है कि मोर रहि जाउची ओके डन नाउ लुक इन दैट दिस इज ए malloc it returns a pointer star what is the type of the pointer
Void.
means generic pointer right think is that on which pointer you want you can typecast and general nature is void and second one is you have to free malloc calloc I am not for realloc malloc calloc will allocate the memory right free will free the memory right realloc once allocated you have returned again you want to reallocate the same block then you can go for realloc right but I have to work with malloc and calloc if you require you can also use realloc if time will permit I will go to show you the heap exactly in the memory that is using valgrind GRIND a tool
Yes.
right if time will permit I will going to use this tool otherwise not right valgrind just remember it is a tool to study the memory leakage तमे केते मेमोरी लीकेज करूछ नष्ट करूछ you can study it right either in my machine valgrind is installed let's see done no I have to install this one let it be later on okay now we start the first code gedit malloc.c look in the monitor as include stdio.h dot as include what is the header file Sutin Anma what is the header file right declare a pointer integer star ptr done it now allocate right how to allocate malloc size of
Int.
why I am using size because I don't know exact byte then better I have to take size of int size of is a operator don't get confused it is a function malloc is a function and what it is return type integer star I am making integer star because malloc returns void then assign to ptr equals done either any integer x I have declared not declared
No.
now I can put it star ptr equal 20 now increment star ptr equal star ptr plus 30 value updated printf right value equal percentage d slash n comma value what pointer star ptr this is some simple thing return 0 done it
Yes, sir.
now run it you can do scanner gcc malloc.c very good dot slash a dot out value 50
Yes, sir.
Okay.
बर्तमान स्ट्रक्चर टा केमती हैला देखो व्हाट इज द हाउ द स्ट्रक्चर इज बिल्ट दिस इज अ हीप सॉरी दिस इज द हीप एरिया बहुत स्पेस अच्छी हीप रे डोंट वरी तुमको एति की ब्लॉक दरकार है दिस इज साइज ऑफ int address is whatever the allocate करो assign the address to this one this is ptr right and this will hold the address 1400 this address is 1400 with this ptr you can store the value here update the value here manipulate the value anything and this declaration is star ptr and this is the code in front of you. Now your job is you have to edit this code. How to edit the code? I want another variable here. मत्ते एठे गोटे variable दरकार है, right? And this will hold the address of pointer, address of pointer, address of PTR. Got it clear? I want this address of PTR. Then how to declare this one? How to declare this variable?
Star PT.
This will hold the address of this one. How to declare?
Double star.
Double star.
Double star, let it be S. Right? And this double star S holds whose address?
PTR's address.
Yes, sir. Star PT.
Right? Now, with the help of AS, you change the value here. What is the value here now? 50. Now, with AS, change the value. Change the value 50 to 100. What I'll write? Now I declare.
Double star S. Double
You
star
see?
is equal to double star.
I require double star S. Fine. Then double star S will get. Then S will take the address of PTR. Correct.
PTR.
I want to modify the value.
Double star S equal to double star S plus
No,
50.
no. Okay. First you print the same value with double S. Now it is a linked structure. अभी आपका लिंक हो गया.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right?
It is linked.
Okay. Already linked. Now already the pointer has modified this value to what? 50. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Now with the help of this one you print 50. How to print it?
Double star S.
Double star S.
ठीक है देख लेते हैं how much you are correct. Printf value from S equal percentage D slash N double star S. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Achha.
Correct.
Very good. That I want. Mm-hmm. Now ready. Block allocated. Pointer. This is double pointer. Right? Now this is the declaration. Above one is the declaration. Right? We require value. Right? To get the value here which is 50, you stored 50. Right? You are writing double star S. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Value add here. What I write? Value add here.
Single star
Yes,
S.
Very good.
address.
Single star S. This single star S will print the value. What is the value of PTR?
Address
Address of what?
of the heap.
Block. You don't know the
Yes,
block.
yes,
No name.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Name
Yes.
nahi hai, no name.
sir.
Address of the
No
block.
name.
Value add here. Value add here.
Value add address of PTR.
Oh, address. Yes, but what to print? Only yes.
Yes.
Okay,
Right?
if only yes, yes, obviously.
Only yes. This means address of
PTR.
PTR. Clear? Now,
Yes.
let me give permission. I don't require this name. मेरे को ये नेम नहीं चाहिए. Right? Can everything will be operated?
Yes, sir.
Right? Now I want, instead of it is a single block, I want to create an array of a block. Do you have any problem?
No, sir.
No problem.
No problem. Then what is our argument array? What is your argument array? An array?
Array of pointers.
Array
This
of
thing to be allocated? Kete allocate karibo? How much? Each is pointing to string,
String.
right? Pointing to string, right? What is a string? Array of
Array of characters.
characters. And this is a pointer, right?
Yes.
This is a pointer. Now, how much you want to allocate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the type.
Character type.
No, of the type. Character type, no. Character pointer type.
Character pointer type. Yes.
Because you are pointing to a string. String is an array of pointers. Then can I write malloc allocate, right? This size. I don't know this size.
Size of
Size of array of the type char of the type char star. Is it correct? Like that ठीक है ला? हाँ.
Star. Table data.
Confusion आला?
Yes, sir.
Is it confusion or clear?
Confusion.
Confusion आला. अच्छा. Out is सब करना दबा. ठीक है. This size of is clear?
Clear, sir.
Very good. Can I write malloc this size 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Done it?
done.
Yes, sir.
Achha, very good. Into size of, what is the data type? What is the data type? Character pointer. Character pointer.
Yes, sir.
Instead of int, can I pass char star? Done.
Done. Yes, sir.
And what is this 6? Number of tokens.
Number of elements. Yes, number of
Tokens here. I'm a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of tokens for null one. Done. Now, what is the return type? If it is allocating for single pointer, what will return?
base address.
Base address means
Base address.
base address will hold by whom? कितना pointer hold करिबो?
S. Double pointer. Double pointer.
Double star.
Of the type char double star. Line clear?
Yes sir. Bujhiya.
If it is clear, now open our code. You write the main part. Now hope malloc will make sense here. Within that sense, we can get the idea and we can write the code. No tension. Just fundamental is what type allocate, what return. Only 2 points. What type allocate, what return. Right? Malloc, what type allocate, what return. A diagram must be drawn properly. Go back to the main. Start writing main with me. Right? I want to save first. What are the first point? Save the original string. Right? Char star t. Now at this point, t point to what? ମୁଁ immediately t କାହା point କରିଛି? T is pointing to nothing. This is a pointer of the type character pointing to nothing. Because no memory allocated. तापे किसी memory नहीं. It is just a pointer pointing to whom? Null. This is the meaning. Memory allocate ହେଇନି. हमें कहार memory allocate करिवा? S रो. S का point करिछि the string की. String is this is a test case. This is a test case. This is my string. Right? This is the pointer S. This is point to the base address. Right? Now T points to null. एमिति copy करिवी. आप है किसी no memory. Then I have to allocate memory for T. Allocate memory for T. कितने memory allocate करिवी? Yes. How much memory I will allocate?
Size.
Means the length of the string.
Size of that array.
Exactly.
Size.
Now allocate. T equals char star. Okay. Malloc. I want to allocate. I don't know the length of the string. Then I can put str len of the string plus 1.
1.
5 plus 1.
Yes sir.
1 कहीं नहीं भी. मुट्ठी के string की छोटे ही
Null. Null by.
Null.
Exactly, you are right. Because string length will return if the string is ITR, it will return 4. But you know that a string will be proper if it contains the null byte. Am I right?
Yes.
Then I require this much of string length. Of the type what? Of the type
Character.
what? Type for data type.
Character.
Very good. Then put it in a box. This much of byte I want. Star size of CHAR. Line number 27. Carefully observe. Done. Now copy karo. str copy the string. strcpy t destination comma source. Yes. Now print the string. String of test print कर देवा, right? Printf duplicate string equal percentage s t. Right? But I require return type return null. Okay, just I'm testing. String copy, I have to do it tested or not.
Sir, actually the tokenize column.
Calling program is not only step number 1 copy part.
Yes.
6टा step देइछि, केतरा step देइछि? Only step number 1 I am copying allocating. मालक problem थिला मालक over.
Sir, copy पूर्वरु tokenize करिया पड़ियो ना?
हाँ करिनि no. Let's save the thing. Copy पूर्वरु tokenize कर देले s will be changes.
Yes sir, yes.
That's
Copy
the default. हाँ, yes. आगे test कर दियो. Now I am returning null. If this will be null, fail to create argument array. GCC
semicolon after printf.
After printf semicolon missed. Where? Yes. Thank you. What is the program name? ARGV1. Malloc character malloc size of character. Include stdlib something in string. Exactly. Add the header. Include stdlib.h. stdlib. Return null return before token expected. What is that? Is there anything I am missing? What error? Can anybody will find out? Error space semicolon.
Colon is given.
Where is colon given?
So null after null.
Done. Yes. Very good. Done. Dot slash a.out.
Done, sir.
Duplicate string is this is the test case. Fail to create the argument array because I am not created argument array. Clear? Hope it is clear. Next slide. What is the next step? Copy. What is the next step? Tokenize. Calculate the number of tokens. Acha. Let I receive the first token. I am constantly the number of token calculation. If str tok, let the string is s, delimiter space, right? Not equal to null. Am I correct? Then I will run the loop for n tokens equal to 1. Is it correct logic? This is my
What
step.
is that end token?
Declaration must be there. Right? Line number 34, 35, correct? The string. The string is this is a test case. It is not null. Then number of token 1. For subsequent call is null. Token. Num token is called num tokens plus 1. And generally in shortcut you are writing num tokens plus plus. And no statement to be executed. Hence I put the semicolon. This is a no statement. This is the style I am using. Correct? Now print कर दो. Printf number of tokens percentage d class n tokens. Done? ये जल्दी करो. कोई जी गोटे नवा छोटो क्वेश्चन. गोटे वर्जन कंप्लीट कर दो आज. One version will be completed. Now run the code. Something missing. Where is the error? Line number 37. What is the line number 37 error? Loop is not closed. Right? Duplicate string. This is a test case. Number of tokens. This is a token. Is a token. 2 token. 3 token. 4 token. 5 token. Correct?
Correct. Yes, sir.
Done it. Now we got number of tokens. Then what is the next step? I got number of tokens. What is the next step?
Array size the
Allocation of array size to store tokens. Right? केमती allocate करिवा ये array टा देखो mark करिवा. This is the array you have to allocate. वर्तमान 6 टा space allocate करियो तमे. 6 place 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is null. Right? प्रति जगह रे this is a pointer. This is a pointer to whom? Array of characters. Now allocate करो. malloc. Right? How much I want allocation?
n token
n tokens plus 1. Right? Into size of data type कौन आएगा? Pointer. Correct? अच्छा. Now return type double pointer or single pointer?
Double.
Right? Where to store? Address का store करी भाई. I have to store the address here. Right? A address to return. This allocation.
Yes, sir.
Return. I require this variable. This variable of the type what? Double star or single star?
double star.
Double star.
I require a double star to be declared. Now declare a double star of the type. What a name दे दियो. ARGVP दबा. Okay, any name. Done it. Now address will store to ARGP equals. Okay, allocation done. This is single. Okay, very good. Now we got the structure. Bartaman, it is your duty. You have to advise me. This is my double pointer. It points to short value नहीं होला. 1 2 3 4 5, 6. Right? Now this is declaration. Above is declare. Tala is value. Value at this. What is that? ARGP. Value at this location. How to write?
Sir, which location?
This location.
Star ARGP.
Very good. Star ARGP. This one. अच्छा value at this. Do what they do.
Star ARGP plus 1.
अच्छा star ARGP plus 1. Why star ARGP plus 1?
Star ARGP is base address.
Star ARGP is the base address. अच्छा. You are looking into the base address, then plus 1. Done it. Okay. Any other answer? Any other answer?
So it is a character, that's why plus 1.
No. I have to shift to the address. This is, I want this address. Right? I want this address. No, this is the value at. And value at this address is, let it be, I am putting the address 120. Let it is 1 byte. This address is 121, 122, 123, 124, 125. What happened? Value at the address. This is called value at the address. What is the address part here? This 120 is the base
120.
address. Value at the address, this one. What is the value at the address? 120. I want the next one is value at the address 121. Value at address 121. How to get 121? 120 plus how much?
1.
What is 120? This ARGP, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Then can I write
Yes, sir.
ARGP plus 1?
Plus 1. Star
That
whole
is 121. Value what? Put it.
Yes, sir, got it.
Right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now again do tokenize, apply. That's why I'm requesting whenever pointer, draw figure. Unless until you have 100% confident. Now I got ARGB. Now allocation is done. After allocation, you put the value. Come put kari. First value I have to put. What I have to put first value?
First value is star ARGP.
Star ARGB. No, okay. But what put? I have to again tokenize or not? And again I have to tokenize or not?
Yes.
But the original string S has broken. Then what I will do it? Am I correct? Done it? All you got this line of this one? All you got this line meaning?
He says restore the value of S.
Why you will require restore? Because S has already broken. Then I will recover S. Then already you have saved the temporary location T. Then copy T to S. Then do tokenize again. Right? How to do tokenize? Token equal str tok s. What it clear? While token not equal null. Put the first token. Put the first token, or else you can take a loop. Yes. Yes, what I'll write? Star ARG P. What I'll write in general? Plus I
plus I
equal token. What is the initial? I have to initialize I. I equal
so 0.
0. Very good. Then I have to extract the token. Token equal str tok
Null
null
comma space.
very good. I to be incremented or not?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
Close
Done.
it. You can also optimize because these variables are not required. Then declare token also. Can I directly optimize? Okay, let it optimize later. Then I require one more token. Star token. Very good. Let's see how much are there. So khasi galani. 35. Okay, done. Very good. Now I put all the tokens, but how much token I put till now?
Sir, क्या हुआ? Repeat.
How much token now in the array? कितना token में array अच्छी वर्तमान?
6 जितनी number थी वो.
How? My token is 5. Number of tokens is 5 as per this tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After this loop, how many tokens I put it? I equal to 0, I equal to 1, I equal to 3, I equal to 4. Right? Then I have to put into the last. And that is nothing but number of tokens, right? And can I put star of ARGP plus n tokens? It is execute karuchi skill. Then first you have taken the token. Your string is this is a test case. Your string is this is a test case, right? You have to taken the first token, that is this, put into the array. This, right? Now increment 1, address 1 incremented. Value at that address, another token is again incremented a, again incremented test, again incremented case, right? Further increment no meaning because thing is that already we reach null. But here I have to put how much? Kete put karibi?
Null.
Null. Indexing karo 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is this 5? This is nothing but number of tokens,
Yes, sir.
right? Or is the final value of I? Whatever you can take it. Now equal now return the array you have created. ARGP. Wale code ta dekho 5 minutes, then I will run it. Carefully observe. Run kariba. Jyotish.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ashutosh. Okay. Clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I equal to 0. Return ARGB. I is not declared. What it is I? Coding I is I is not declared. Declare I. Right? Any other? Return ARGP. Some semicolon. This is semicolon. Okay, clear. Let's see. Duplicate string. Number of tokens 5. Argument 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Immediately mail को code पटे I will give to the mail to your code or your WhatsApp. Code की देवी को.
Mail, sir, mail.
Mail भी.
Okay, immediately I am sending.
Mail and WhatsApp, so the data.
I am attaching to your mail. तब WhatsApp. Immediately code देखो. Code देखी 2 मिनट break ना हो. I will be continuing the rest of the quiz part. And you have to draw the diagram, understand clearly. Because rest of the 2 versions I am not going to develop. Okay, just hold on. I am attaching the mail first. तब WhatsApp. Don't worry. Section CSCA section. Tutorial. Now you check your mail. Already forwarded.
Okay, sir. So you will forward the test link in the chat box, right?
What?
So you will forward the text link in the chat box.
No link I am giving to now. Attaching to your WhatsApp.
No, so just quiz test.
That link I will give to the chat box. But you look in the code first. Okay. All you got the code? Code मिलला की?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you got the code, you spend 5 to 10, not 5 to few minutes. Within that, I am making ready your quiz question. Okay. Remaining two versions of development already I mentioned along with the code also, but don't copy the code. Try to do development version 2, development version 3. If you could able to do it, I will close that portion. Otherwise, if you there will be doubt, then I will be developing version 2 and 3. Right? Okay. Then I am giving you the today's slide argument array. Yes. Is it time already too? Okay. Okay, you can
Yes, sir.
quit.
Too, sir.
Okay, Asutosh also you can. Those who have submitted, you can quit.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Puja vacation? Again, which puja? Gajalakshmi? You are from Denganad? ସେପଟେ ଗଜଲକ୍ଷ୍ମୀ ପୂଜା ହୁଏ କି? କୋଉଟା କୁହ ପୂଜା ନାଁଟା ଜାଣିବାର ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ? ମାନେ ଓକେ ଓକେ ସେମ୍ ଟୁ ୟୁ ଏନ୍ଜୟ।
Thank you.